The most important thing that you need to know about Bitcoin and crypto from a tax perspective, from an IRS perspective, is that the IRS deems crypto as property, not as currency. Crypto, whether if it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever, these are taxable like stocks. So if you buy Bitcoin at 30,000 a couple weeks ago, and now it's around 50,000, and you sell it, you buy a coin, you make $20,000 short term. Well, you owe short term capital gains, which is the same rate as your income tax rate. And if you had Bitcoin for a year or more, then you pay long term capital gains on Bitcoin. So it is a taxable thing. It's not a currency. If you use Bitcoin to purchase something from a retailer who accepts Bitcoin, for example, you have $50,000 worth of Bitcoin, you paid $3,000 for it, but now it's worth $50,000, and you go buy a Tesla because Tesla will accept your Bitcoin. Great, 50,000 for the Bitcoin. That goes to Tesla. I get my car. That's great, right? Except for one thing. Just because you used the Bitcoin as a currency to buy something, you still owe long-term capital gains. Remember, you bought $3,000 worth of Bitcoin, you sold it for 50. That's a $47,000 long-term capital gain. So there's a good chance you'll owe up to about $9,400 in long-term capital gains, in addition to the $50,000 car. Just want to point this out, by the way. I'm not a CPA. I'm not an accountant. So if you have a question specifically about your tax situation, you need to ask your own tax advisor or legal advisor for information that pertains to your unique situation. I want to show you this because it's so darn important. Literally right under where you put single, married, filing jointly, and you go into your name, your address. The first question on the Form 1040 is this: at any time during 2020, did you receive, sell, send, exchange, or otherwise acquire any financial interest in any virtual currency? Yes or no? It's right there. They are asking you that question, the IRS, before they even get to how much money did you make in 2020. This is from a CPA in an article I read, Ryan Losey, CPA. He says, the IRS thinks there's massive underreporting in this area, and they're going to start targeting it. This is another reason why I think that the IRS is going to be very aggressive in targeting people who've made money trading, buying, selling Bitcoin.